So here is the result of my model face for Gordon, the angry face for Gordon. This will fit any Trackmaster. Of course it will be flat, so I just sculpt the face and I will prepare the mold so we can have it ready. So this is a test, the powerful angry Gordon. I think I achieved the expression really not bad, very close. Of course there will be some imperfections, but I think we can fix those soon. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. And yes, I do have other faces already. Angry Thomas and a popular model that a lot of people wants to have it done. So it's already done. I'll show you in the next video.